Hi, this video is about how to set up data filter in Eventpedia backend and how it's being presented in the attendee app. So first you will create data filter kind of like tags. So you go to the type setup, you see there's a data filter here, so you can create those values. Those are the filter tag that you will need to filter the data. So you can create anything about the filter name, right? You save it. So there are, 6 data filter right now that you created. And then once you have created those data filter, and you go to data filter setup from the event dashboard, from the landing page. So now you see the data filter that are here, and then you can apply data filter to those data elements. So if this is a schedule, let's say you want to have a filter called poster, or you want to have, say, management, executive committee. So you can look at all these sessions here, and then you will say this session belong to one or the 2 filters. So you can see this is poster session 6. Now they have the poster filter, right? So 3, we can also do that here, right? So now I have those data filter called poster applied to those sessions. So now we have the data set up. So you go to the design manager, you will create a new menu item. So that's it, we create one called poster. So that becomes a tile or icon. So, and then this poster is really a session module, right, if you will. And then we can display this name called poster. And then you say this one is going to apply a data filter. And you can see we're getting the apply this filter called poster when you save. So what that does is when you look at the app will have a new module called posters, and when you click on it, you will only see the sessions that have the filter tag of poster apply. So now we can look at how the app looks. So you really come in here. Okay, so you see we have a regular session module, which we did not touch. But then you go to poster. See, we have this poster module. Okay, and then you see you display all the posters. See, you only see the posters, right, underneath this particular filter tag. So now you can continue create 3-4 different menu items, and every menu item corresponds to a particular data filter to filter out the data this way. And please note, when you create those modules, all the attendees who use the app can see those filters, or those filtered modules. If you want to even filter out what they can see inside the module based on who they are, we have another video that you can use what we call the groups, where you can assign a group to a session, and you also assign a group to the attendee. So only the matching groups can see that content. But that is beside the data filter, what we're discussing here. Hope this helps. If you have any question, please email Eventpedia team. Thank you.